The entire thing, the entire journey of Ishq Vishk Rebound, because थोड़ा मसाला दो, कौन कैसा थोड़ा tantrums देता था, थोड़ा कुछ क्या करते थे, थोड़ा
1 second.
Question.
Why is she looking at me like that?
Have I
We got the answer.
beans or not? Well, it's been an actual blast.
No.
No, I'll get to the juicy part soon. So you know, when we started off, we were doing extensive workshops. So I got to know them on a very personal and vulnerable point, right? Because you kind of open up while जब आप workshops करते हैं तो खुल जाते हो एक दूसरे के साथ, quite literally. So I feel like when we got on set.
Look at them also. They were also on set, you know.
और आपने बड़ा ही juicy question पूछ लिया है.
अब रोहित का क्या है ना, वो उनका एक ऑन ऑफ स्विच होता है, तो पता होना पड़ता है कि यू नो व्हेन इज ही इन द राइट फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड एंड मूड टू टॉक एंड चिल, और ही इज but I've forgiven you for that. Now during promotions I've forgiven you. Pash is an absolute sweetheart because the guys used to gang up on us, so of course we as the girls we have to mil jul ke rehna padta hai.
Right.
And girls. Yes. And Gibran, the
बोलना.
ये एकदम नौटंकी, which is great fun because you need someone to be the life of the party when somebody is off.
Oh my god! She's suddenly making me sound like I was one party pooper and I used to be this moody little bee. But I wasn't. You know? Stop it.
Okay, I'll end on the note of saying that they were all lovely.
Wow. सब कुछ करके रजाई में लपेट दिया, बात खत्म हो गई. एक बार जोरदार तालियां for this amazing team, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, superstar Rohit Saraf. Exactly. Events पे जाते हैं लोग खड़े marry me. कितने क्या हो रहा है? ये कैसी fan following है भाई?
I think you're talking about yourself. मुझे तो कोई नहीं बोलता.
हा. पूरा timeline भरा हुआ है. You're just killing it. We're loving each and every unit of this. What do you have to say? You know, we have these wonderful people who are here. और इस अवतार में आपको welcome करने के लिए all set.
Firstly, thank you so much everyone who's come to support us, to be at the reception of our film. This is the first song launch. I am so excited. I have honestly waited to do this for years. You know, it's something that I've kind of मैं हर रोज सुबह उठता था and you know, this is a driving force in my life. This has been a driving force in my life. So firstly, before anything else, and this is something that I've always kind of wanted to do. I do that personally, but I want to do this publicly also. Huge thanks to Tips for making this happen for all of us. You know, I think the fact that Ramesh ji did this 21 years ago with Shahid, Sir, Amrita, you know, Vishal, with Shehnaz, everyone. And I think to be able to have that kind of faith and bring new talent after all of these years again speaks volumes about the kind of producer he is. Him, Jaya ma'am, Varsha ma'am, the entire family at Tips. So firstly, thank you so much for that. Secondly, I am just so happy that I can finally share this with you guys because it has been 2 years since we've, you know, the journey of this film started, and now we're finally here. This song I have grown up listening to. It is bizarre in my head. It's surreal, the fact that I get to kind of dance on it today with all of these amazing people. And I just really hope that whatever we've done, you all like. And yeah, once again, I'm very excited and very grateful to all of you guys for being here. Thank you.
Lovely Kibra fan. और अभी from thank you so much. किसी ने तो एक छोका acknowledge किया. भगवान भला करे तुम्हारा. You know, from that cute little boy in K3G to this handsome dude here. ये पूरी journey इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बता दो जल्दी से.
Firstly, it's been a very long journey. I think तकरीबन 20 साल हो गए हैं. आपने पिछली बार जब मुझे स्क्रीन पे देखा तब मैं बहुत छोटा था, और आई होप आज आपको मैं अच्छा लगा कि नहीं. कैसे लगे हम सब? So yes, it's been amazing, yaar, and I would also say life has come full circle for me because I have actually danced to this song as a kid, and just recreating this with Vijay sir, Sonu sir, and Ramesh ji just giving us this song. I think it's a blessing in disguise, guys. We couldn't get a better song to start with, and I really hope you all like it because we've put in a lot of love and effort. And just thank you, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Naila. This one's for you. Welcome to the movies. What do you have to say?
Hello, everyone. And firstly, it's such an amazing feeling. There's so much excitement, And yeah, this is something which I've been just waiting for a really long time. And आज आप लोग सबको देख के it's just such a surreal feeling. And just thank you so much, यार. Just thank you so much.
Amazing it is, है ना? Naila, I'll come to you. You know, you're already killing it. You're here, there, everywhere. You're killing it. What do you have to say with this amazing cast and Ishq Wishq Rebound?
Firstly, thank you. Thankfully, I've been doing some great work, but working with these three, my heart is overflowing. I'm just so happy to be collaborating with three people that I absolutely have fallen in love with. And there's a lot of ishq, wishq, confusion, rebound. It's going to be an exciting, confusing, wonderful ride. So I can't wait for everyone to see.
I am sure we're gonna you amazing people to kindly be seated. क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारे पास बड़े सारे surprises हैं आपके लिए और जो हमारे यहाँ पे eminent journalists हैं उन सब के लिए. तो are we all set for the big surprise?
Yes!
रोचक कोहली साहब खाली एनर्जी दिखा रहे हैं. तुम लोग की एनर्जी कहाँ गई है? है ना? So no, don't worry. ऐसे मत करो यार. Come on, we gotta make some more noise. Be good with it, यार. We do it every single time. So, ladies and gentlemen, all eyes towards the big screen because यहाँ पे अब आपको सबसे पहले we'll show you the teaser and after that we'll play the song जिसके लिए यहाँ पे आए. बस एक छोटी सी गुजारिश है मेरे सारे friends से यहाँ पे